Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word microscopes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientists used high-powered microscopes to observe the cellular structure of the specimen. Microscopes are optical instruments that magnify small objects to allow for detailed observation and examination of their minute structures and characteristics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.